What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing great. Today it won't be, well, it was going to be about the Lexus. I was gonna change the bushings, the suspension and all that before we put the new wheels and tires and everything. But the other day excuse me, the Honda just took a dump on me, and it just would not work at all. And the code that was showing was for spark plugs and ignition coils. Now I know you guys don't care about the Honda, you guys don't really watch this video, but I like to make them for fun. So today I'm going to install these, and then I'm also going to replace the PCV valve. The spark plugs, I changed them, I think around 110,000 miles. Now I'm right there at 200. But these, the ignition coils, I think they've been on this car since day one. I think I know I didn't replace them. I don't know if the previous owner replaced them, which I don't think he did. I don't think he did. I have this car for like 10 years now. So now the project that I had for this car, I am not going to spend any money on this car at all. I'm just gonna sell it, but I am planning on getting like another Honda, like a 6-speed manual. I just want a manual car, but I think I'm not that good at manual cars, so I figured a Honda is like the best way to start getting used to a manual car. Now I was looking for SI, but right now they're way too expensive, so I have it like a $3,000 budget. So yeah, I don't know if it's gonna be next month or maybe in March or maybe in April. Now that's not the new car that coming on the channel I was talking about in the last video. This is just me kind of get rid of this car and then get another copy car. I'm looking for like a 2006 to 2007 but manual. All right, so what I'm going to do now is do the oil change, which I will not show in that video, and then I will change the PCV valve as well, and then I will install these. As for the Lexus, today I was gonna start on it, but this happened, so I have all the parts there. I just need to install them. All right, guys, let's get into it. As you can see here, I have oil all over here. Is the oil pump up there? It's messed up, so I don't want to spend any money on this car. It's kind of old. So now the PCV valve is like right up here. Let's see if you can see it. It's right up there. It's just a clip. You have to remove that clip and pull the hose back. It's right there. It's this right here, and I believe it's a 70 mil. Yeah, that's all you gotta do. You just unclip this, remove the hose, and then unscrew it. All right, guys, just like that, I got the PCV valve out. It's not difficult, but it's just where it is. It's just stupid. It's just make it so hard for you to just get this out. You can see the old one right here. This thing is dark, like, and that's the new one. That's the one we're going to put in. All right, so it's the same way. Just screw this back and then put the hose back on, and yeah, you all set. And just like that, PCV valve is on. Now all I have to do is do an oil change, which I will not show in the video, and then I will put the car down, and then I will install these, the spark plugs and the ignition coils, and we will be all set. I know Honda use NGK, so I went with those. They're not too bad. They were about like $9 a piece. And then these, I tried to go OEM, but they were gonna be around like $200, so I didn't want to spend all that on it. But this still cost me around $170 plus tax. So what we have to do here, it's not hard. It's just we move these is simple. Put this right here, and then these are the ignition coils that you have to remove. There's like 4 bolts and they're like 10 mils, I believe. And yeah, you just remove this and we move those coil packs, and then we move the spark plugs and put the new ones in. And now I'm going to change the spark plugs, and as you can see, this is my little tools right here. This thing works so good, man. It works really good. I have the link below. If you have to change your spark plugs, this thing is like legit. Just like that, all 4 spark plugs are out. Man, look at these. Those things look, man, it's crazy. Look how bad those things look like. And NGK, and that's the new one here. We're going to install. This is the same brand, so let's see. You see, there's like burning parts right here. It's crazy. All right, let's just install the new one. I'm all done with the spark plugs. Now we're gonna do the coils. And this was the old one. As you can see, this thing look busted. And this one right here, it's the new one right there. If you see side by side, yeah. All right. Alright guys, just like that, I'm all done. Like I said, I know you guys don't care about the Honda stuff, but I like to make videos and stuff, so I'm just going to post that one. Now the car is drivable again before I get rid of it. So I'm about to put it outside, and yeah, that's it. Alright guys, you take care. This gives video a like, and the next video is gonna be on the Lexus. So take care, and I will see you guys on the next one. Perfect.